Oh, hey guys. Welcome to Carcassonne. It is a wet one tonight, and I'm trying to find a place to eat. And I've actually already passed a bunch of places because this is like a foodie capital, in my own opinion. And because YouTube is an awesome entity, what it's going to do, and I'm telling you the story right now, I'll be demonetized because in the background there is What a Wonderful World playing. That looks really cute right there. So tonight, we made it to the square. They have a wine festival going on over here to the side. It makes me think that this is probably what it's like here during, if they have like a Christmas market. But it's a pretty cool place. So we have the Celt Pub right here. It's an Irish place. I actually want to go check out a church that's down this way, but it's raining. And guess who did not bring his raincoat and or his umbrella? Because they only said there was a 1% chance of rain at 8 o'clock at night. This guy. Good times. All right, we're going to walk anyway. Whatever, right? I'll dry off. So we have like a taco place right there. And it's funny because like right now we're leaving kind of like where all the restaurants are. But again, right down this way there's this huge church. You can see where my priorities are visiting the town. They say travel vlogging is not for the faint of heart. I gotta admit, people that know me know that I'm secretly loving this. I don't care that it's raining. It is what it is. But it's interesting because it's a quiet city. This is the newer part of the city, and I think, look at what we found right up here, guys. Oh, we did. We found it. Let me look at that. My God, I think we found ourselves a church. No pun intended, or maybe there was a pun. I don't know. It's so interesting being in France because there's green. And on the radio, I heard like actual English speaking songs. And now I think, God willing, this church should be unlocked for me to get in, even though it's almost 8 o'clock at night. Let's see. Well, there are the doors. And that's, this is St. Vincent. And I just saw them play with that door right there, but I don't know. Can you get in? Can we get in? Is this the way in? I don't know. I don't know how to get in church, guys. It's like a tease. It just like literally rang the bells, but I can't get in. I should have known it was too good to be true. All right, let's go find a place to eat. First night, day one, weekend trip. Here we go. And just like that, it got quiet because the rain's not falling anymore. Huh. You know what I like though? I gotta tell you guys this. I like the fact that it's not like, how do I phrase it? I like the fact that the weather is not warm. It actually feels like a fall night to me, even though I'm wearing shorts. But note, I got long sleeves on for once. I know, you guys, I know you're proud. Found another Irish pub, but I want to go farther down. When I arrived, here's a little backstory as we enjoy the big ambiance. Ooh, here's the tasting room. As we enjoy the street life of Carcassonne. So, first of all, this is no longer their high season. So if you're wondering where everyone is on a Friday night, they're home. But that aside, I came in here on a Ryanair flight direct from Morocco. And I took their bus that they provided. It's €6, which let me tell you, is significantly cheaper than taking a Uber taxi at their busiest time. They were going to charge me $36 to take a taxi to go the same 5-minute trip. No thanks. So I felt like I got a little bit of a deal doing it that way, but and they also have, for the bus service, when you're going back, they have it set up where they'll get you there like an hour before the check-in. So it's supposed to, like, pretty much they're working with you so that you can come to the city, you can enjoy it and everything else. It's a pretty good deal. And I'm on the wrong side of this building right now. I want to get to that side because that's the street I originally came in on, and there's a couple of restaurants that I was like, ooh, this might be worth trying out. I think if I translate this from French, it's the Halls of Carcassonne. Impressive, isn't it? Yes, I know. I amaze myself sometimes. And this is the Halls of Pikachu. Right here. The Halls of Pikachu. Yep. It'll be fun to go on this, go here in the daylight. If you go straight, you cross the river and you're in the, you're at the castle. And that's what Carcassonne is known for. I'm still one street over. But since I saw that restaurant, even though it's not the one I originally had spotted, I was like, let me just look at it real quick. Might be worth trying out. We got, well, the place I wanted to go to, which is right across from the theater, is packed. And the guy said, basically, come back in 45 minutes. So, I don't know what I'm going to do. I will try that place, though, tomorrow night because it looks really cute. I'll just go a little bit earlier. But look at this. It's pretty neat. There's actually plenty of restaurants, but I think what's, you know, the... Ooh, hold on. I got distracted. Look. There's the lion right here. You know, obviously you want to go to the places where there's people because that means it's probably really good. So I'm not going to wait till that time of night to eat. That's not me. But we'll walk over here, check out this park, and maybe we can grab a bite to eat that might be a surprise instead. Now, if you look, and granted it's dark, it's not lit well, but you do see some of the old walls to this part of the city anyway. And then got this beautiful park right here. And you can see the leaves changing, which you guys can't see right now, but I can see them. And then if you go a little farther down, you eventually get to the castle. And this I saw from the distance when it was raining out. It is not busy at all. And this is where we're going to eat. This is what happens when you're an introvert. It's really cute. So here's my menu. Yes, it's in French. I did not ask for English. I just used my Google Translate, and we're getting the fourth thing down, the casserole. Salute. All right, here's the casserole. Got some bread. Bon appetit. Oops. It's good. Well, we got our restaurant there in the background that we just went into. What a fun place, to be honest. I really enjoyed it. That casserole I got was like duck meat and pork and sausage. And do you see the wonderful lighting we have here? But anyway, it was good. I enjoyed it. And the music was fun because it was a lot of music that I already knew. And the waitress was pretty. That helps. It does. Yeah, it was good. And here we are at the ceremonial red lights. This must be, oh, I was going to say this was the red light district, but now it changed colors, so the joke doesn't work. But the rain has let up for a moment. Who knows when it will pick back up? And if we go a little farther in this direction, we should hit the bridge. We should hit the bridge. What I like about this town, this city, is it's only got, I think, 40,000 people. So it's not big. And so you get more of a provincial feel to it than if you were in like a Paris or in a, this is part of a giant castle wall that we are right now. But, I mean, granted, my meal was about $30 because I had a beer, tip. It was fine. That's reasonable. Oh my God. And you know what's great about being here too? Home of the French fry, baby. Home of the French fry. All right, maybe that was a little too dramatic. Look at this building right here too. This is pretty. I obviously have no idea what it is, but it looks nice enough. And, oh God. I just remembered I was filming, so I didn't swear, but I just walked through like a pond. So anyway, going back to like the size of the city, it's very easy to navigate, very manageable, and the signage is good. Yeah. Now look at this right here. Look at this. Does this not look festive to you? I don't know what it means, but I kind of like it. So we're at a park, and this reminds me of Poland, or Poland reminds me of here. I love it when they put maps, because it makes it easier for me to figure out where the heck I am. So check this out. If I want to go to the canal, it says 14 minutes. To the sea, we are next to number 3. And then if you go across the bridge, you can make it to the old city. That's where we'll pick up in our second video. But this is us living the dream, nighttime fun. I don't know if you can see it in the light. There's a little kid right here, a statue. He looks very lonely. But yeah. God, I have to admit, I am feeling a bit chilled. And if that's coming from me, that I'm saying I'm feeling chilled, it might be because I'm soaking wet. And as much as I want to go see the river, I think it's going to have to wait till morning. Yeah, I think we're going to have to head back. It's interesting. I'm on my way back now to the place, to home. That's a cute little cafe right here. But it's a church. So I'm just minding my own business, walking on the street, and this guy comes up to me. Of course he's speaking French, but I do understand some French, and he asked me if I had some money, and I'm like, no, I don't. I also said I don't speak any French. And then he repeats, he's like, do you have a euro? And I'm like, no. He gets all upset with me. I found it funny because it doesn't really matter where I am. I'm always getting people in these cities asking me for stuff. It does not matter the country. So I just find it kind of humorous because I don't carry cash on me. So for people that are watching this who see me in the street and want to ask for something, I don't carry cash for a reason. And that's why. That's a cute little park right there. Dedicated to the 1st French Army. Huh. Oh my God, look guys, I found the post office. It actually looks cute here. I wonder if it's more efficient than the other post offices that we've dealt with. Look at these cute little cafes. All right, I found where we're going, or I found where we were. Oh, that's cute. It actually is really adorable. It's funny. It's like when you think of like cafe culture, at least in the movies, what I think of is France. So just walking on these streets right now as we return to the wine festival and the music. It's just really, really cool. All right. Let's see what's going on. It's like it's a Christmas market without Christmas and a lot of wine. God. All right. And with the party going on in the background, I'll see you guys soon. We'll pick up. We'll explore the old city. All right. Ciao for now. Oh, sorry. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. All right. Hey, let's see where we're staying tonight. We're staying here next 2 nights in this cool building. Let me show you the inside. When I walked in, I didn't know where the light was, so it was completely dark. But now, I'm a big boy. I figured out where the lights are. And for this extra footage, look at the stairs. So you got to make sure that you are physically able to walk these stairs, or it's kind of a waste. Okay, one more flight. I opened the door, and here's the my place. Got a nice little bathroom in there. Got a cool little view. Granted, it's dark right now, but I'm gonna dry off. And yeah, so for real, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.